Good morning, my dear children. I am going to discuss about chapter 4 of your chemistry, chemical bonding. In this chapter, I have already discussed about the various topics. You know that chemical bonds are of three types: amic bond, covalent bond, and coordinate bond. Now I am going to discuss about some compounds which contains both compounds which contain both covalent as well as coordinate bond. Both types of bonds are present in some compounds. I am going to discuss about electron dot structure of that compounds. Lewis structure, or you can say electron dot structure of some compounds. My dear children, I will take first example HNO3. This one is nitric acid. How can we draw the electron dot diagram of nitric acid? To draw this figure, first of all we write N, that is the central atom, surrounded by 3 oxygen atoms, and 1 hydrogen atom is bonded with any of the 3 oxygen atom. Suppose this hydrogen is present here. You know that hydrogen contains 1 valence electron, oxygen contains 6 electrons like this, and this oxygen contains 6 electrons like this. This oxygen also contains 6 electrons like this. This hydrogen shares its electron and forms 2 electrons. This oxygen atom shares 1 electron from this hydrogen and another electron from this nitrogen, and in this way it completes its octet. This oxygen also shares 2 electrons from this nitrogen atom, and this oxygen atom also shares its 2 electrons like this. In this way all these atoms complete their octet, hydrogen completes its duplet. And how nitrogen completes its octet? See here, nitrogen contains 5 electrons. These dotted electrons are of nitrogen atom. 1 electron from here, 5 plus 1 becomes 6. 2 electrons remains, which 2 electrons are shared by either this oxygen or this oxygen. Suppose in this way nitrogen completes its octet, and in this way this nitrogen forms double bond with this oxygen atom. Here coordinate bond is formed with this oxygen atom, and single bond and again single bond. In this way HNO3 is formed. Okay, take one more example, H2CO3. This one is carbonic acid. How we draw the electron dot structure of carbonic acid? This is the central atom, carbon, surrounded by 3 oxygen atoms, and these 2 hydrogen atoms are bonded with 2 other oxygen atoms like this and this. Suppose 2 hydrogen atoms are attached with these 2 oxygen atoms. In this way hydrogen contains 1 electron, this hydrogen also contains 1 electron, this oxygen contains 6 electrons like this, this oxygen also contains 6 electrons, and this oxygen also contains 6 electrons like this. Hydrogen completes its duplet by sharing in this way. This oxygen completes its octet from taking 1 electron from this carbon. In this way oxygen completes its octet. This carbon contains this way. This carbon contains 4 electrons and it shares 1 electron like this, and in this way carbon completes its octet. Now the bond line structure shown for this compound is C double bond O, here single bond OH, and again here single bond O and H. In this way H2CO3 carbonic acid is formed. Okay, this one is the electron dot structure of nitric acid, or you can say Lewis structure of nitric acid. In this way we can draw electron dot structure for many compounds. Now I am going to discuss about some negative charge ions, how we draw the electron dot structure of some negative charge ions like this one, SO4 2 minus. This one is sulfate ion. Keep in mind, phosphorus can complete 10 electrons in valence shell due to presence of vacant d subshell. Sulfur can complete 12 electrons and chlorine can complete 10, 12, 14 electrons in its valence shell. These atoms can complete more than octet, means greater than octet, greater than 8 electrons can completed by these atoms. Here sulfur is the central atom surrounded by 4 oxygen atoms. Here 2 minus charge is present and these 2 minus charges are on oxygen atoms. Any of the 2 oxygen carries 1 negative charge. Suppose these 2 oxygen atoms contains 1 negative charge. This oxygen contains 6 electrons. This oxygen also contains 6 electrons. Here total number of electrons for this oxygen becomes 7. How it becomes 7? Due to presence of 1 negative charge. This oxygen also contains 7 electrons like this. Sulfur contains 6 valence electrons, you know that. In this way, this oxygen can complete its octet. This oxygen also completes its octet. This oxygen also completes octet like this. How sulfur can complete its octet or more than octet? Sulfur is that element which can complete more than octet. Means in this way 2 plus 2 4 plus 4 8 and again 4 means total 12 electrons are completed by this sulfur atom. In this way it becomes like this. Here double bond, here also double bond, and in this way this is the structure of sulfate ions. You can share by forming only coordinate bond, or you can draw double bond by sharing 2 covalent bonds. Both are correct. Here you can show octet by sharing and forming a coordinate bond. Okay, these both characters are, both structures are correct. SO4. In this way you can draw. I give you some homework to draw by yourself electron dot structure of some compounds and some ions. Try to draw this. If any problem, then ask me. HW for draw the electron dot diagram for following. First, CO3 double minus, second H3PO4, third HNO2, fourth PO4 triple minus, fifth NO3 minus, sixth one HCN, seventh HClO4. Okay, try to draw electron diagrams of these compounds and ions. Okay, if any problem, then ask me. Thank you.